In this video, I'm showing how to do the power circuiting. Keep watching on that, and if you like my video, please subscribe it. So this is some design drawings for the power. So how we can connect it that one. So this is the DB. From the DB, it will how to connect it that one. I will show you. So here I made it some example like the power connections and everything. The same way we are doing over here. This is R phase circuit. So we just need to be matched with the red line, dotted line. Just matching this one. Okay, then like this you can match it. Okay, then we need to connect this one to the DB. So I'm just moving this text to here. This one I'm moving up to here. So this is our DB. So I'm just to make a P line, and sorry, just to make a P line from here, a line from here, and it is connecting to this one. So just I need to connect like this and fillet it this one, that one, and match with this one. So we can give the label. We just need to give it the label like R4, DBR4. Okay, so I'm just matching with the text with this one. Already we created, that is what we are just matching. Just do like this. 1 minute. So I just need to leader, and just need to match with this one, the red color. So that the circuit is ready, right? Same thing, another one, this is also need to be connected over here. So I'm just making little bit up this one. I'll just trim it like this one, like that. So we need to connect much more things. So here also one circuit. So this is B's R6. So just need to make a P line and connect it like this, and come to here, and we'll keep it up to here, and just make some offset. So just up to this one, and just making some offset, connecting to this, just to fillet it this. Okay, so that one is ready. So then you can uh, have like beautifully you can give this text color R4, and this one we can say like this is just copy and paste it over here, and just type this one R6. So that two circuit is ready. Then we need to make another one. It means like from here we have two sockets. I need to provide one more sockets over here, the store area. So I'm just giving one more sockets I can place over here. Rotate, just rotate it, and just give the circuit number same. So this is R4, and we need to connect that one also here. Just make a P line and just connecting like that, and just to draw like this P line, just connected to here like this. We can connect it, just uncheck and P line and connect it to here, and just make it like that. So this is also R4, so we can connect over here. Same circuit is going. So what we can do, we can connect this one with this, connected to this one with this. Okay, so just connected like this, and this will go here, and from here to this DB like this you're taking. So these all are in one circuit. Okay, so then we can connect it to here like that. You can connect it. This filleted this whole things. Yeah, so otherwise we can do one thing, we can give another circuit also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so that is correct. Okay, the 8 circuit we can give it, and this one For example, this we can give here. Otherwise you can also give from here. That circuit you can get it from here. Okay, so I'm just to give a leader from here. Just take it this one over here. So I'm copying this text. I need to give over here, right? That was okay. So another one is this circuit. This one also need to be going on to the db. So I'll just make from here. I need to connect over here. So just connected that one. So that circuit also red circuit, red phase. Just need to be give like this little bit more. And this circuit we can say this circuits we can say R7, right? So just copy this one and place it over here. That circuit's also ready. You can move this one near to this one, right? This one R4, 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 Y6, R4. So that circuit is ready. Then Y4, the color I have used another one. Y color we can use it from here. Y color, Y, which one is the Y? This is Y circuit. So just we need to be connect that one. So what we can do, we can just make one line from here. Then it is connecting to the circuit over here. Just connector like this. Sorry, just move a little bit here. And connecting like this. It was connected over here, right? Then we can give this one this color. Just matching with this one. Okay, then this will be Y6. So you can give the leader arrow like this. Just to give a color of this one, you can match it with the here. This one you can match it, match property, and just give like this. You can arrange in the one line this one. So this is in AutoCAD how we are preparing DBs and everything. DB circuiting means the circuiting for the sockets and everything we can do like this. And this is okay. And another one this db. So from here we can take connection from here like this and connecting to the db. So that is b6. So we need to take a blue from here, blue circuits, and just to connected this one to here. I need to take the blue line from here. Okay, just select this one. Just selected this blue line, and we can say this one we can connect circuiting as like b6. So the color should be control one and change the color to blue circuit. Copy this text, paste it over here. Okay, so that was also connected. And just to give a fillet for this one, can move if you need, you can move it little bit upside. So all connection should be come to the dbs. Okay, so we can give some space. That's it. And same way for this one, you can connect this all circuits together. Y4 is there. So y4 we need to connect it. So for example y4 is here. Okay, so just connect it like that. Connect it from here and connect it this one. And another y4 is here. So what we can do, we can just connect this from here. We need to connect to that socket. So make a p line like this, make it like that. Okay, then here you need to connect it. So another socket is connected and another one is here. So this is a waterproof socket. So you need to connect from here. You can make it like this and connect it to this one, to this one. make it straight line. Okay, then just move to little bit here, make a fillet over here, fillet over here. This one you can just make it a beautifully like that, connect it like this. So that circuit also ready. Okay, so just give a weatherproof. This is kitchen area, so that is what we are giving weatherproof sockets for this one. So this is yellow face, so just to match with the yellow color like this, you can kind of select it. And circuit number also you can highlight from here. You can just highlight this one. Okay, so here we need some connections like that. So I'm just to trim and I need to join that one. So this one is okay. So this one also need to be connected over here. So just to make one line, E line, and connecting to this socket. So that circuit is ready. So if you want to make it tagging for that one, just take leader and we can say this one is Y4 and copy this text and put it over here. So that text also come up over here and you can connect like this. And other thing, should I'm saving this one. I'm saving this one. So this is the same way we can use other things like here is the water heater circuit is there. So you can make it that one also. So I'm just moving this one here. Just okay. So this is the way we are doing the circuiting in AutoCAD. So do all other parts also you can give it the same way. It's getting lagging. I don't know this one is getting lagging.